A titration is used to determine the concentration of an unknown acid or base solution using a solution whose concentration is already known. Before you begin your titration, the sodium hydroxide solution is standardized with samples of KHP and water. This will be needed for calculations of your unknown concentration at the end of your experiment. To remove the bubbles from the soda accurately, 100 milliliters of the soda was heated for 15 minutes in a beaker, then 15 to 25 milliliters was added to an Erlenmeyer flask, and then added 2 drops of the indicator phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein will let us see the endpoint with a simple color change from colorless to light pink. Make sure your burette is primed by rinsing it out with water first, then adding small amounts of sodium hydroxide and making sure the inside of the burette is coated, then drain through the tip. You will want to repeat this 3 times. When reading the volume on the burette, make sure you're at eye level and round to 2 decimal places. So after adding a few drops of the phenolphthalein, you'll want to swish the flask around to observe the color change. At first it may seem like nothing's happening, but eventually you'll reach your endpoint. When this happens, make sure you're at eye level and read your final volume and record it to 2 decimal places. Same as you did in trial 1, you'll do in trial 2. Add a few drops of phenolphthalein, swish around in the flask, and then read your final volume at eye level and record it to 2 decimal places. It may be a while before you reach your endpoint, and so if you run out of solution in your burette, just refill it back up and continue on.